Welcome traders, how are you all? Here I am T2 SMC Trader with a new episode. In this episode you are going to learn the missing gem or the missing part from your trading that is holding you from being a profitable trader. If you watch until the end, you will learn a lot from this video. I'm just gonna promise you. But before going to the video, I would love to tell you that please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Your likes give me the inspiration to make more videos like this. Your comments really give me a lot of feedback. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to the video now. It's gonna be little talking. If you listen the part carefully, you will get improved. I promise you, brother. And if you wanna skip it, just skip it, okay? Because you don't wanna be a profitable trader. What can I do for you? Today is 13th June 2024. Thursday PM session price action. You can see this is the PM session price action. Now in my Twitter I was talking about this price action and I have seen all of your comments and the way you are thinking the price. I really get disappointed. What you are doing, brother? You wanna be a profitable trader. You keep losing the trade or you keep blowing your account. That means you are doing something that's not right. Then what is that you are doing and it's not right? Everything you are doing, it's not right. That's why you are blowing your account. If you did something good, right, absolutely perfect, then you won't blow your account, right? Stop doing that. Whatever you are doing, just stop doing that. How many times do I need to tell you, you should not do overtrade? Why I'm telling you that? When I will explain this price action, you will understand why I'm telling you that. At the same time, all of you think that trading is just a setup, pushing button, winning trade. It's not like that way. This is just a game. You have to play this game with plan. If you don't have any plan, this game, you are never going to be the winner. You will always be the loser. You know that, but you are not ready to accept that. I'm not a motivator, so I don't know how to motivate people. The tone or the way I'm talking, maybe you are not going to get motivated. You don't need to be motivated because I'm not trying to motivate you. I'm just trying to show you the way you should trade so that you can be profitable. I don't need you to be motivated. Instead of that, I want you to be profitable. That is the reason this is 1 a.m. in Bangladesh at midnight. After the PM session, I'm just sitting here making this bullshit video so that you can be the profitable trader. Don't just skip some point that I mentioned again and again. For example, over trading, over leveraging. Don't skip those. If you skip those and if you think that this is the market from where you are going to get a lot of money by one day, you are just doing the wrong thing. This is the thing that is holding you from being a profitable trader. It's turning you into a loser. I just passed a eval. Just I need this platform, so I took a eval and I passed it by just 3 days. Yeah, I took 3 days to just pass this eval. I did it in live, though I didn't tell you. Sorry, I told you that, but today I actually complete my eval before the AM session. So today I didn't tell about that. What is the point? It's very easy for me. The reason is I know when I should stop. If you are a beginner, then you don't know when you should stop. When you don't know when you should stop, then you are doing gambling or something like that. And that is holding you, making you a loser. This is very boring topics. If you skip these boring topics, that is the missing part from your trading journey, and that is the only reason you are still a loser. I'm sorry to tell you the loser because I'm thinking that you blow a lot of account. If you are a pro trader or if you are a profitable trader, just skip this video because this is the video that is important for all of the beginners. The beginner people should listen this video. This is the video you need to watch before learning even the price action. How can you be the profitable trader? Start your day with a plan. If you find out that the price is providing you the run toward your plan, then go to the trade. If you can have a winning trade, done. Close your chart, stop over there. Don't put your winning money on the table of the gambling because you have already won a lot of money or whatever, maybe 500, 600, 200, $1,000, whatever you have win by your first trade. Don't put them into the market again. I'm here, I'm waiting to take your money. Why you are doing that, brother? This part, the psychological part, if you skip this, how can you be a profitable trader? Nobody can make you a profitable trader. You are in rush. Do you know what is wrong with you? You want to be a millionaire by one day. You don't want to see the losing trade. You want to see only the winning trade. It's not possible. Every business has a cost. In this business, the losing trade is your cost. So you have to pay the cost. If you want to product something, and for making that product, if you need a machine, and that machine, if it runs by electricity, you have to pay the electricity bill, right? If you don't pay the electricity bill, then your machine is not going to run and your production will stop. So you are not ready to pay the electricity bill. That's wrong with you. First, try to understand this simple logic. You are a loser. The reason is you are doing something that is not right, but you are not ready to accept that you are wrong. You have to accept that first. What is wrong with me? Some of you feeling FOMO, some of you just thinking that I'm gonna be a millionaire by today. Some of you are thinking that this is the only way, this is the only time, or this is the only setup I will get in my life. In my life, I will never get another setup, so I have to put all my levers over there, and then I have to get all the money from the market by this one setup. As ICT told, if one bus go away, another 1,000 bus will come to take you. Let's talk about the price action a little bit. This is the PM session price action. Okay, so let me go to 15-minute chart first. So from 15-minute chart, you can see market has taken the buy side liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap. Price trade that fair value gap, it went lower. Then it went higher again. Still now, price failed to break that bearish fair value gap. Can you see it? It's failed to break that fair value gap. Why it went higher, why it went lower, we will talk about that later. But still now, this fair value gap is holding the price. How can you look for buy? You should not look for buy. This run happened around the PM lunch hour. This run, see, this is the only clean run that happened around lunch hour. You missed it. You have no idea. You had no chance to take that entry because it was inside the lunch hour. So you missed it. When you missed it, you are in rush. I have to take entry. I have to take entry. I don't have any other option. You are going to forget everything, and then you get confused. Should I go for buy? Should I go for sell? Because you are not focusing on the time frame over here. This 15-minute time frame, you are not focusing over here. You are focusing in 1 minute chart or maybe sub 1 minute chart. You are seeing some setup. You pushed your button, you take a loss, then you try to mitigate your loss by over leveraging, by over trading, and then you take more loss. This is how you blow your account. Ask yourself how many accounts you have blown. How did you blow it? Some days are really good where you get some profit. Some days are bad where you blow your account. When you get some profit, maybe $1,000, you have earned $1,000 by your one trade. You stopped over there. So that was your winning day. Now, when you take $200 loss, why you are not ready to stop over there? You are focusing on your earning, but you are not focusing on your capital. This is the game. It is called marathon. In this game, the long you can stay over here, the more profit you will be able to earn from this market. But you are not ready to stay over here. Instead of that, you would love to make this marathon race as a bolt. So you wanna go like so fast to finish this race. No, you can't do that. This is the race you need to run for longer time. When market came here, it has traded this last parallel gap. See this candle low, this candle high. It has traded that last parallel gap. Then it started to go high. If you just ignore this price action over there, here it's a clean sell setup. Market went lower. This parallel gap has traded. What do you see over there? Order block. When market is going higher, should you look for buy? No, absolutely not. You should not look for buy. Do you have any buy side liquidity? No, you don't have any buy side liquidity. Why should market go higher then? All-time high? You have already seen the reaction from there, that specific area. After taking all of this liquidity, it has made the all-time high. This week 50%, around the morning session, I explained everything over there. It rejected from that 50% of that week, that is called the last parabolic. Then market fall, boom, made this bearish parabolic. Until this bearish parabolic gap is not broken, you should not look for sell. Even after breaking this bearish parabolic gap, still market has this order block. Did I talk about this order block in my morning session, in my live streaming? Absolutely, I have talked about this order block. I told that even if market went higher above this parabolic gap, it can trade until this order block. This is the order block. I talked about this in my morning session. Listen that part carefully. No, you are not ready. You saw that market is going higher. So, no, my brother, market. In my Twitter app, I found that someone just marked that market has traded that last parabolic gap. Now it is going higher for the all-time high. Bullshit. It's just bullshit. You can't think like that way. This is just something you have to depend on the price. You know the setup. Then why you are not believing that? Until this parabolic gap is not broken, you can't look for buy. It's forbidden. You just can't look for buy. When market is going higher, you have to you keep marking the PD array over there that can hold the price, send it back for the sell side liquidity. You have this obvious sell side liquidity here. You have this sell side liquidity here. You have this sell side liquidity there. You have the liquidity. So you should think that market should go for the sell side liquidity. When you will think for buy, if this bearish parabolic gap, this is the only parabolic gap, only bearish parabolic gap. If it is broken from 15-minute chart, yeah, now you can look for the buy setup. Still, this is risky because this order block can easily hold the price. Maybe the min threshold of that order block will hold the price. Send it back for the sell side liquidity. You should not go for the buy. You should look for the sell. This is logic. This logic you have to follow, but you are not ready to follow this thing. You want to just take buy or sell. Market is going higher, so brother, it is going higher. Now, after the effect, how it does look like? It's very nice bull run, right? Go to your 1 minute chart time frame one more time. High, it has taken the low, went higher, went lower, went higher, went lower, went higher. went higher, went lower, higher, lower, higher. How did it went over there? How can you take the entry over there, the buy setup? How can you do that? You just can't do that. Without any logic, you are just pushing your button depending on the setup only, and you can't do that. Do you understand? This is how you are going to blow your account. Then why you are not ready to learn the price action? Why you are not ready to learn it? It's simple thing, brother and sister, obviously. I'm sorry, but I'm really getting disappointed day by day. Most of you, I'm thinking that, okay, whatever I'm telling you here, the price action I'm explaining you here, maybe you are giving some attention over there. But bullshit, you don't even give a shit about that. You are just doing the same thing you did in your life. Then what the hell I'm doing over there? In my life, I'm spending hours and hours and hours to teach you how to read this price action, and you are not giving a shit over there. Instead of that, you keep looking for the setup. Work with your psychology, brother. Work with the hard time frame. I'm showing you every day. I'm starting with a clean chart, and then I'm showing you how to mark every specific level. Then how you should go for the trade. That doesn't mean I'm going to be right 100% of the time. Every entry I will take, it's gonna be the winning trade. How many winning trade did I take today? How many winning trade did I take today in my life? Yeah, I took loss over there. That was the only losing trade. Did you see any other losing trade? One losing trade. Every single time I pushed my button, that was a winning trade. How can I be so precise? How can I just simply pass an able account? How can I earn a lot of money? Because I'm doing something that you are not doing. What you are not doing, brother? You are not focusing on the price action. You are not focusing on your psychology. What you are doing, you are just seeing that market is going higher, so let's take the buy. Whatever that guy, that T2 told, bullshit. We are not going to. I am not going to listen. Do you know the Mark Douglas? He has a seminar in YouTube, near about 5 to 6 hours seminar. In his seminar, he has talked about a lot of things, but I would love to mention just one thing, and that is, what is trading? What do you need for trade? What is the physical need for the trade? Just you have to be able to click on your mouse. That's the physical strength you need for trading. Rest of all is your mind, is your psychology, is your thinking. But you are not ready to work with your psychology. You are pushing yourself just to push the button. So you are focusing on your physical strength, not your mental capital, your psychological issues. No, you are not ready to do that. Let me go to 15 minutes at one more time. So that was the order block. I told that mark that order block. Just forget about this small price actions. Okay, just forget about that. This is PM session. I'm not interested to talk about the AM session. Instead of that, I'm going to talk about this PM session. So this is the order block. When price came here, I will start to look for sell, and I'm going to believe that market is going to take that extreme liquidity. This is the obvious liquidity. Why it is obvious liquidity? I'm not interested to explain that. I'm interested to see that market is going to take that sell side liquidity from that order block. It doesn't mean that I'm going to take my entry over there. I'm going to hold it until that area. No. Let's go to 1 minute chart. So here is your 1 minute chart. This is that order block from 15 minute chart. This is the first time when price tapped to that order block. What else do you see around that area from 1 minute chart? Entry fair value gap, right? This is your entry fair value gap. Now above here you have the last fair value gap as well, as market didn't reach until that area, so I'm not going to mark it. You saw that first time market tapped to this constant crossment of that entry fair value gap, then it went lower. Right? It went lower. Now, do you mark this as your market structure sheet? If you want to mark it as your market structure sheet, where is going to be your fair value gap? Let me mark everything. I have uploaded this video to my Twitter. So if you are with me in my Twitter, you have already seen that. This is the only fair value gap you have. Do you have any other fair value gap in that leg? Look closely, brother. No, nothing. So can you take your entry over there, brother? No. That means this market structure shift is not valid. It's not cool. It's not good. Market went higher, make a swing low, went higher again. Did it close above the constant crossment of that entry fair value gap? No, never. See, look at all of this candle. Nobody closed above the constant crossment of that entry fair value gap. Last run, this one, what it has done? It has taken all of this buy side liquidity. After taking the buy side liquidity, just after taking the buy side liquidity, look at the reaction. How beautifully market fall. How dramatically it fall. And it has given you the market structure shift over there. No one can tell that this is not displacement. This is not market structure shift. A perfect market structure shift after taking the buy side liquidity. What should you do? Mark your last fair value gap or the breakaway gap. So there is your breakaway gap. There is your entry fair value gap over there. Let me mark it. This is your entry fair value gap. Okay. Where you should take your sell there to that entry fair value gap. And where should be your stop loss? You should cover your stop loss. That breakaway gap, that should be covered. That here you took your entry. Now look how the body is closed inside that entry fair value gap. How beautifully it closed inside that entry fair value gap. Now, where is your target? Are you going to target that 15-minute extreme liquidity? Is that logical, brother? 1:23 risk to reward ratio. Is it logical? Do you really think it's logical? Absolutely not. Then what should you do? You should look for some kind of 1-minute sell side liquidity. Now, over here, see these two lows, this low and that low. Below these two low, I have another entry fair value gap and the last fair value gap. So I'm going to mark this as my sell side liquidity. I'm going to target that sell side liquidity over there. This is going to be my target. Now let's see what is the risk to reward ratio. 1:6. Is that bad? 1:6 risk to reward ratio. Is that bad? If you target over there, you have to take a partial. That's for sure. If you want to be a profitable trader, you have to take a partial. Where should you take your partial? First, you will look for some relatively equal lows below your 1-minute liquidity. 1-minute extreme liquidity above your 1-minute extreme liquidity, you have to find out a partial area. See this last fair value gap? The open of this last fair value gap? That can be your partial area. Now, if you take a partial over there, it's too close. Too close, right? So I can't do that. Do I have any other relatively equal lows? Now I can see this swing low here, this one has violated over here by a shallow run. That is called the obvious liquidity. So this low is a perfect place to take a partial. Take a partial over there, put your stop loss to the break even. If it reverses, still you are profitable. But brother, it didn't reach over there. You don't need to be right with your target. Why you should take the partial? Because you want to be a profitable trader. Let's see how many handle is there. 19.25. That means near about 20 handle. What is your risk to reward ratio? 1:3. More than 3. 3 plus. 20 handle. one contract $400, two contract $800. After taking the partial, if you put your stop loss to the break even and if it hit your extreme target, perfect. You are done. After taking the partial, you have taken one contract only. Where should you target? Where you should target? Are you going to target this extreme? Absolutely not. If you target over there, your stop loss has to be to the break even after going below this partial area. Your stop loss has to be to the break even. If you have just one contract, you have to close your trade over there. Don't you see when in my live I pushed one contract only where I closed my trade? Now today I didn't push my button for one contract. Yesterday I have done it. Go and watch my yesterday's stream, the first entry. Where did I close it? Remember the last paragraph over there? I just closed my trade over there and I told that mark that relatively equal highs. Market is going to take that relatively equal highs. Whatever happens, it's gonna take that relatively equal highs. But I closed my trade over there because I had just one contract. So I closed it over there. I am unable to take the partial. Isn't it enough for being profitable? What do you think? You should be profitable by that one. So when you took that entry, you should stop trading. The PM session is done. No more trade for you. Done for today. But no, you are not ready to done. You should look for the setup again and again. Do you understand? This is what is wrong with you. This is the part. It's absolutely wrong with you. You are doing something wrong, and that is the thing. You should not do this. I get really upset, brother, today. I really get upset because of your behavior. You are not ready to learn anything except the losing. How can I lose, brother? How can I lose? Better from next stream I will start to talk about how to be a loser. Because you are interested in that. You are not interested in a profitable trader. No, you are not interested for that. I feel you like my family. I feel you are my friend. I don't think you are my viewers. If I thought like that way, I don't need to make this bullshit video. I don't need to spend hour and hour just reading the price action in front of all of you. Like I'm feeling like I'm a joker. I'm just doing something. You are getting fun from me. You're just not ready to learn anything from me. Accept the entry. Give me the entry, brother. Give me the entry. Market is going higher. Why it is going higher? I want to take sell. If you miss this trade, for example, this is the only setup. If you miss it, you are done. No more trading. No buy is valid. From 15-minute chart until this is not broken, no buy is valid. You can't take the buy. Only you have to look for sell. You have to look for sell. I'm sorry for my tone, the way I'm talking, but I don't think so. You deserve a better tone. You just made me disappointed today, brother. Seriously, because after this 6 to 7 months, I'm seeing that most of you are just interested about the entry only. You don't give a shit of all of this price action. When you have seen that market is going higher, okay, whatever this guy told, he's wrong. Now market is going higher. Let's look for the buy. You do it by yourself. Then what the hell I did whole morning? What the hell I did? What the hell I'm doing in my Twitter? I'm just keep posting the post. What the hell I'm doing? In my Twitter, when I outlined all of these things, right? Now, today's price action is really so bad price action. But when something is good price action, you're very happy because you are also thinking like that way, brother. The way he told market is behaving like that way. And when market doesn't behave the way I am expecting, you just get panic. Do you understand your problem? You're focusing on entry instead of reading the price action. So what you were asking me? Do you know what you were asking me? You were asking me Brother, give me a page from a novel and I would love to read that one page out of maybe 1,000 pages. I would love to read one page and then I would love to understand what is this novel all about. Really? Is that so that much easy? Then everyone would be the billionaire millionaire by this trading. Everyone is not gonna be the loser. It's not that much easy. You have to understand the fact that everything here is fractal. Market doesn't move without any kind of randomness. Every single low high is reacting some specific level, and this is how this market is working. You don't need that much precision. I showed you the easiest way. 15-minute chart, 1-minute chart. The easiest way. If you were with me, if you did the way I told you to do, you would look for that order block. You would wait here to take the liquidity. This market structure shift, this parallel gap, this partial area. Maybe you could hold until that area, no problem with that, but until here. You took partial, sorry, you took partial, you are done for the day. You even didn't ask me, brother, why market is going higher? What the hell is doing over here? What the hell is happening over here? This is just bullshit price action. Look over here. It went higher, but how did it went higher? Let me go to daily chart. This is the daily chart, okay? And let me remove everything. I don't need anything over there. So all of these things. This is today's candle. Look at this candle. Today's candle. See the candle? How beautifully it appeared over there. Just look all of this candle and look at this candle right now, right here. I know that most of you has already closed the session or closed this video. I promise you, brother, you please unsubscribe me. Whoever, I don't know you are listening to me or not, because if you have already closed the stream, you are not listening this part. But whoever are listening right now to me, whoever, trust me, brother, the guys who has just closed my stream, they will always be a loser. I challenge you, I promise you, I write it down to you, to the empty pages, because they are not interested to be a profitable trader and I can't push them. I'm pushing all of you guys so that you can learn this bullshit price action, everything. But these guys who just skip this video, close this video, they will be the loser. I don't need them. Tell them to unsubscribe me. I don't need them. I'm not angry, brother. I'm just disappointed because you guys don't focus anything over here. Instead of just thinking that I need an entry, just an entry. You are thinking an entry setup, a model is gonna make you the billionaire, the millionaire. What the hell? I spend hours and hours, near about 16 to 17 hours every single fucking day in front of this chart for near about 1 to 2 years to just read the price action, to just understand the price action. There was nobody to give me the answer, brother, why it reacted from that specific. Do you see how precise the last parallel gap is? Who else told you that? Until me, I mean before me, who else told you that this last parallel gap, this entry parallel gap is going to give you that much precision? Nobody, simply nobody. And after all of this work, I'm giving you everything for free. Just you are not ready to take it from me. Why, man? What's wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Did I do something wrong so that you are not ready to take everything I'm trying to give you? Or is that like this is all free? You are not going to pay me? So free things you don't care. This is free. Yeah, I know. When people get something valuable without value, they don't give the value. So you are just man. The thing I'm telling you, not only the price action but also the psychological issue. Every single thing you have to take notes and you have to follow them. This is the only way you can be a profitable trader. Otherwise, you will never be a profitable trader. You will keep losing this from this market. You will keep losing. How can I be so sure about the run? Now, when market went here, then where market will go, I don't care. I really don't care that where market will go, because I have already got my entry. 20 handle entry is more than enough for being profitable. I'm not gonna keep looking for sell, keep looking for sell, keep looking for sell. Still, after this sell, there was not even a single sell entry. At least not from 1 minute chart. Yeah, there was some sell entry from 1 second chart. I have posted that on to my Twitter. Here, the entry was over there from 1 second chart. That 1 second chart also I can mark the specifically the same thing. I mark from 1 minute chart, I mark from 15 minute chart, I mark from hourly chart, daily chart, from everywhere. You are just not focusing what I'm telling you to focus. I'm sorry guys, this is all about the psychology. If you don't focus where I told you to focus, you will keep losing, and I can't do anything over there. And I am sorry, I'm taking it so personally. Okay, I should not be so personal. It should be the professional, but I'm not a professional. Okay, I don't need your money, I don't need anything from you. You don't need to give me the views. Okay, you don't need to take the membership, you don't need to use that affiliate code I'm providing you. I don't need anything from you. I'm taking it personally. I need someone who will learn from me, and they will earn the money, and they will tell me, brother, yeah, I did it. I did it because you told me to do it. You show me the way it should be done. I need someone like like him. If it is the one person, I'm okay with that. But I need someone like that. I always ask for more people. Do you know why? I know out of 1,000 people, maybe there will be just one person who will be interested to learn everything I'm telling them. When they will be wrong, they will stop trading over there. They won't just change their direction and then they will start to gamble. No, they don't do that. They will be like me. They will be so patient. They will be very, so soft. I am looking for sell, market is going higher. They won't get panic. They will say, okay, it's just, I'm just wrong. Today I'm wrong. I'm not gonna touch this market. Because when I do my analysis and I told you that I'm bearish, if market don't go toward my direction, you will see this type of bullshit price action. See, this is the bullshit price action. I know what I am doing. Why market has done that, I'm not interested to talk about that. I'm just interested to tell you that what you are doing, it's not right. So please take notes. Every single time I warn you to do that, not to do that. Take notes. Keep revising them. Be a profitable trader. I am requesting you, brother. I won't be here for forever to just push you, to just push you, brother. Do not do that. Do not do that. Just do that. No, I'm not here. I won't be here for forever to do that. That is all for this video. I don't know, guys. If you think that I'm rude, you can unsubscribe me. But I'm not rude actually. I'm trying to show you some right way so that you can be benefited. So that was all for making this video. If you don't like it, then I don't know what to say. You can unsubscribe me, you can unfollow me. Okay guys, so until the next video, cheers.